Everything is fine, friends.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
Yeah,
Now,
Ravi.
See,
yeah,
I have
yeah.
a question.
Huh.
Means, can we make same math.py same thing so that another developer cannot delete
Sorry, I'm not getting what you want.
like a math.py we
Hmm.
cannot delete. So
Hmm.
can we make our own this type of functionality so
Ah,
that
you know, you want to make that, what is that? No, I said na, this one will work in the predefined, whatever is given in the TypeScript programming. What is that?
okay
API.
okay okay
If
okay
you
okay got it.
if you are developing our own any API, in that you can
Like as a
yeah,
product.
yeah,
Yeah,
you can delete it, but what is that? If predefined are there, so
predefined. Okay.
those things you cannot. For that only
Okay.
we are using the delete. And I got your point, like you want to, I want to develop any API where this delete should not work, right? This is
Right.
your doubt, na?
Got it.
This is your
Yeah,
doubt.
got it.
This is your doubt. Delete should not. But if we write our own API, then that one will become, what is that? That one is not a predefined. So I also not tried this one. Okay, we will
Yeah.
see this. We will see this. Your doubt is good only. Your doubt is good only. But what is that? Only user defined API. If they are in that, only by using the delete, we can what is that? Delete the property. Except that if predefines are there, we cannot delete. But how we will make our API predefined, that is I also don't know. Because until unless if we develop any API, and until unless if we not registered in that what programming language, that
Yeah.
API will not become predefined, no. So I
Right.
need to, so that is also I'm not able to think about in that position also. So that is the
Yeah.
reality. That is
That's
the
that's
reality.
come in mind. That's why
Yeah, no,
I ask you a question.
yeah, your
Yep.
doubt is good. Your doubt is good.
Yeah.
No issues. But in that, I didn't also think. But that's good only. At least
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
are thinking in that level. That thinking only in that level is different. Right now, let's
Right.
understand another things. Let's understand another things. Now we already learned these operators, right? Of operator. Already we learned, right? Already of operator, guys, come on. Whenever we are iterating the map and
Yes.
object in
Yes.
the,
For
Yes.
loop.
Map.
yeah,
Yeah.
so we already learned this one now. So it is used for, what is that? It is used for reading reading all values for from all values from collection, all values from collection. So syntax, what is that? For will be there. Just let's take where we are taking, then items we taken, and of collection, right? Like that only we iterated our value in the map and object, or not, guys? Come on, we seen already these examples, right? We already
Yeah.
used it. But the thing is, that is in the operator concept. Our explanation is going on in the operator, so that is the reason I'm explaining here now. Now sixth one, same like another in operator also. In operator also, this one also we seen, right? Is it is what is that? It is used to, what is that? Verify, and what is that? Read properties from object, right? Object, just we taking one or another examples also, like what is that? Just let's take price, right? Price in product, right? Product, this one is returning, what is that? Only true and false. True or false. True or false, right? False. So syntax was syntax for, in the for condition we are taking, let's take where property properties in object. Like that only we performed already the operation, guys. Come on, like that only we are performing the
Yep.
operation. Now, so now another one is what? Another one we have, what is that? Just we seen that. Just we seen that. What is that? New operator. Whenever we are creating the object, where that new. See, this is also new, also one operator now, guys. New also one operator. Seventh one. Seventh one is, what is that? New operator. New operator. New operator. What is the use of this new operator? It is dynamically dynamic, right? Dynamic memory allocation, or allocating operator. Allocating operator, right? Operator, what is that? What is that? Just what is that? We are taking just what? Where let's take product, right? Whenever we are taking new keyword and we are taking just array, let's take array. Array means, what is that? This new operator only creating the what is that? Memory of what? Memory of array na. Come on, by taking that new operator only we are able to create the memory of what? Array na. Come on, guys.
Yep.
Which is allocating by dynamic, which is allocating by dynamic,
Dynamic memory allocation.
based on that array related, what is that? Array related sorry, functions will activate, and we can use and we can perform our own operation na. Come on. Now same like, what is that? Just we learned date API. Now in the where, let's take what is that? Now what is that? Let's take new date. Whenever we will take like that, then what will happen? Now all date related functions will activate. Means, what is that? All date functions, date related, what is that? Functions will get the memory and it will activate and we can perform the operation na. Come on.
Yes, yes.
Same like one more operator is there. One more operator, that is, what is that? Void operator. Void operator. Void operator. What is the use of void now? Void discards, right? Discards, what is that? Discards the return value. Discards the return value. Discard the return value is nothing but cancel the return value, guys. Okay, some people is, what is that? Saying that void is not, if we are taking the void, there is no returning what is that? Return type is nothing but there is no returning the value. No, guys, that is not wrong. It's a discarding the return type. Whenever we are taking, what is that? Void operator is a discarding the return type. Returning means, what is that? We cannot return any value from the function. That is the meaning, guys. So now I completed our operator. I completed our TypeScript operator now, guys. So next discussion, let's discuss about that. What is that? TypeScript statement is nothing but control flow and all those things. So people are ready for that.
Okay.
Now, guys.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, anything, just think about that. Nothing I'm escaping. Anything I'm escaping?
No, we are got to the new things today.
Now just tell me, guys. So in like, even though I'm tired, guys, in initially only when I was started my explanation, before that only I said today I'm so much tired, but still I'm like, let's see that but I don't know, but like I didn't lose my like, what is that? Energy anywhere. Anywhere I lost it.
No, Ravi.
No.
See, after, like, if the people is tired, they will give the excuses, guys. In the life, remove the excuses. If you able to remove the excuses to learning the anything or anything, that is your choice, right? You selected that one to travel this much 300 kilometer by car or anything else. That is your choice. Why disturb to anyone, right? Because of that, if I'm canceling
Yeah.
the session or if I'm not explaining the things, I'm tired, then that is not, that is means very big. I'm giving the excuses to someone, right? That is not good for my personality as well as not good for my career also. So remove the giving excuses for each and everything to everyone. Once these things will remove, people will give the money, take the money, do the work. If you are, one day you will become, what is that, our own businessman, right? One day you will construct our own business itself. Now let's start next discussion now, guys. So just what is that, give the everyone responses, guys. I need everyone response now. Everyone response now, guys, in the chat box. Use the chat box, yes or no, and all those things. By sitting, keeping silent yourself and sitting and
Ravi.
just listening the session, it will not work out. It will
Yes,
not work.
Ravi.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So be energetic, guys. Be energetic. If you are, if whoever like doing the work from home, take the tea, take the bread and all those things, again energy will come in your body, right? Then show that energy in the session. I want, right, that positivity from you. If I get those energy from you, I will become more energetic than you, right? Okay, so now let's begin our discussion to understand what? Understand TypeScript statement. TypeScript statement. So everyone is ready for that? As people want break, or
Yes, yes.
shall I continue? What you want?
Continue.
Continue, na?
Yeah.
What about others? Only one person? Only one person?
Continue,
Continue,
continue.
Ravi. Continue. Continue.
Very good, very good, very good. Let's continue. Because if we not continue, no, then our TypeScript will extend 1 year. So we, our responsibility to learn, right? Our responsibility to give the, what is that, energy, and put that, what is that, like um, as soon as
Attention.
possible we need to complete, right? Now let's understand next level discussion, guys. Okay, so TypeScript statement statements, right? TypeScript, what is that? Statements. So simple, guys. In the computer programming, what is the use of statement, and what is that statement, and what is the control flow? Simple. Just I want your answers, guys. Yours answer. Statements, right? In the computer programming, what is the use of statements?
Statement means simple computer read the statement and perform the execution.
Yeah, no worries about that. At least if you are opening your mouth, right, that is only enough for me. I'm not expecting correct answer also from anyone. I'm not at all expecting. Just I am expecting people can open up ourselves. In the professional life, if you are hiding yourself, no one will observe you. Once you open up yourself now, in whatever floors in the office you are working, all people know that someone is there in our team or someone is there in our office, right? So open up yourself, don't hide yourself. This is the growth of life. This is the growth of life. Until unless people will not recognize you, someone is there in our office or in our floor or in our team, no one will give the hike, no one will observe you. Even though if they will get the chance, they will kick from the company also. So whatever your skills, whatever your value is there, at least so expose that one, expose yourself. If you are hiding, nothing will get. This is the which yug now, guys? Kali yug, no?
Yeah.
So, so from the Kali yug, don't expect anything. Just only, what is that? Until unless this Kali yug is, what is that? If you are doing the show off, people will love you. If you don't, if you are just, I'm a genuine
They will
person,
kick
I'm
you.
no,
Simple.
so do these things, guys.
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is the IT
Com
industry life. This is the IT industry life.
Yeah, no one knows the
Hmm.
next day will be kicked.
So be happy, expose yourself, learn the things. If you are getting the chance, take that responsibility in the team. If the people will recognize, if I kick him, I only lost it, then they will scare with you. And every time, don't leave my company, don't leave my team. This kind of responses you will get, right? So now these things, no, you by paying that these things you guys will not learn. These things I'm only telling to you people because this is the experiences I'm facing from my life. Now let's start it. Let's start our what next discussion, guys. Next discussion now statement. What is the statement in the computer programming, right? In computer programming in computer programming, statements are used to control the execution, flow, right? Control the execution flow, right? Now what is that? TypeScript statement are classified into following types. Now what are those now, guys? First one is what is that? Selection statement. Selection statements, right? Selection statements. In the selection statements, what are the things now, guys? If, else, switch, case, default. These things will come now. We will learn those things, don't worry. Now next what is that? Jump statement. Jump statements, right? Jump statements. What are those jump statements now? Break,
continue,
break,
go,
return, right? Return,
Continue.
continue.
go.
Go is the Java and all
Oh,
this.
sorry.
Don't think
Yeah.
about that. Here go will be there.
Sorry.
See,
Yeah.
right? Now another one is what is that? Iteration statement. Iteration statements. Even though in the Java also Go is not useful, right? That is the keyword is there, but no one is using Go. Go is
Yeah.
in the C people are
only.
using,
Yeah.
right?
Yes,
Now for in for of, these statement will be there. Now what is that? Another one is what is that? Looping control statement. Looping statements, right? Statements like what is that? What are those looping statements? For
For each,
while, do while,
for each also.
do while. These statements is what is that? Looping statement, right? This statement is looping statement. Now
Lambda
now,
also then.
E, right? E, whatever things is there, those things I'm explaining. Lambda is the expression, not a statement. Clear?
Okay.
yeah.
We are discussing about that statement. Whatever statement is there, After completing the discussion, you can search on the internet, same only you will find. Now another one is, what is that? Exception handling statement. Exception handling statement. Even though I think our T point and all those things is there, you will, whatever how much things I'm explaining, maybe those things also you will not find on those website also. Now exception, right? Exception is nothing but, what is that? Try, catch, throw, and finally. Hey, people are thinking we are learning the Java in the TypeScript, right? Such a great, no? Try, catch, throw, finally. What
Now
is
Java is
this?
everywhere.
Throws.
Yeah, so we are learning the Java.
Throws is also.
Today, our three people is not giving at all, giving the responses. Why, guys? Summer scheme, that is the reason. This is the effect. Like Lakshmi, Sandeep, and Manjulata. Because of that summer, and today is Saturday, there is no office, right? We are not getting the AC. So that is the reason. This is the effect is there in the session, guys, or something else.
No, Ravi.
Are they are not at all there in the session?
Yes, there.
Okay. Okay, 2 member. What about one more? I want to hear that voice also in the session, guys. That name is Lakshmi. Okay, I think she left. Now, okay. Now, okay, guys. So still, I think hybrid mode is going on for you people, right? So already half of you can what is that, this kind of environment also you can utilize it, I think so, because Saturday I cannot say the guarantee in the home. Maybe so they are software engineer is by default rich only, no? So in the home also it will be there. Okay, let's
Not there.
okay. Now let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Okay, so what is that? First we will understand what is that selection statement, guys. First we will start with what is that selection statement. First we will start with what is that selection statement, right? Selection statement. Now statements. So what is the selection statement and how we are performing and what is the use and where we are applying? Right, these many questions is rising in initially only, right? How it will be the possible to go ahead in the statement. Now let's understand, right? They are used in what is that decision making. Decision making, right? What is that? What is the decision making statements now, guys? If, else, switch, case, and default. Right? So first of all, let's understand in the layman word. First of all, let's understand those things in the layman word, guys. In the computer programming, where we are applying what is that? These statements, selection statement are any statement, right? Just assume that this is our PC na computer. Just assume that this is our computer. In this computer, we are trying to install any game. Just let's take one game CD. Let's take what is that? Game CD. And this game software people is developed this game, right? With some basic requirement. With what is that? Some basic requirement. Game, right? Means what is the requirement now? Minimum 4 GB RAM. 4 GB RAM. Minimum 4 GB RAM, right? Now, what is that? Minimum 10 10 GB hard disk. Minimum 10 GB hard disk. Graphics must be. Graphics card. Graphics card and multimedia keyboard. Multimedia keyboard, right? Multimedia keyboard, right? So now, okay. So if we want to install this what is that game application in what is that game software in what in our PC, if we want to install, then what is that? First, what is that? Our computer will take the decision or not? Means what is that? Sorry, this software, this before the installation, first it will check whether in our PC what is that 4 GB RAM is there. If there, then what will happen now? Then next condition will check. What is that? In our system, what is that 10 GB hard disk is there now? Hard disk is there or not? If there, then this software will install or not, guys? Come on. Means what is that? Every places, every places is checking the cutting condition or not, guys? 4 GB RAM, yeah. Yes, if 4 GB RAM is there, then what is that? Next condition will check. 10 GB hard disk is there, yeah, it is there. Then what is that? Graphic card is there or not? Yeah, there. Then what is that? Multimedia keyboard is there or not? Yeah, there. Then what is that? Then this game software will install in our application, or sorry, in our PC or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So here, what is that? It's taking the decision, then only the operation is performing, directly it's started to performing. It's taking the first, before that it's taking the decision, right? Before that,
Yes.
yeah, before that it's taking the decision, right? So now based on this decision, guys, based on this decision also categorized in what is that? Categorized in the fourth part. This one also is categorized in the four part, right? What are those four parts now? If selection, if select, right? If select, what are those now? First one is what is that? Forward jump. Next one is what? What is that, guys? Simple jump. Simple decision. Now, third one is what is that? Multiple decision. Multiple decision. Another one is what? Another one is what is that? Multi-level. Multi-level decision. Multi-level decision now, guys. So based on that, what is that? This if selection will work now, guys. So let's start it. Let's start to understanding these things now, guys. Let's start first. What is that? First let's start with what is that? Let's start with what is that? Forward jump. What is the forward jump? We will understand, guys. So everyone is ready for that? Our people is getting the losing their what? Interest. If people are losing their interest, I can stop it, guys. We will continue tomorrow. There is no problem in that.
Continue.
Continue, Ravi.
Yeah. Now here, what is that? It will not have what is that? Have any alternative, right? It will not have any alternative. What is alternative and what are those things? We will understand as a image diagram, guys. Okay, as an image diagram. But before that, first focus on this area now. So if condition is true, true, then what is that? Then what is that? It will continue. It will continue. Else what is that? Else it will stop. Directly it will stop. It will not take different any another decision. Now I'm giving some things, guys. Okay, now I'm giving some things now, but before that let's write the syntax. Before that let's take the syntax. What is that? If condition. If condition. If condition. Now in the if condition, what is that? Our statement will be there. Our statement will be there now, guys. In that here, what is that? Our statement will be there. Statement will be there now, guys. Our statement will be there where we are applying this kind of decision making. Now just give the answer, guys. Just give the answer, guys. So if our Gmail account is there, we are taking the Gmail account. Whenever we are putting the username and password, we can able to log in. By putting the mobile number also we can log in. Any alternate way is there? Or in only mobile only username and password. By putting the username and password only we can log in. Or we can, by putting our mobile number also we can log in our Gmail. Log in or no?
No.
No.
Okay, guys. So same like I'm taking what is that? Just assume that I don't know. People are analyze those things are just if you are the Flipkart using, or if you are using what is that?
Instagram,
If Flipkart or Facebook or your Amazon.
Amazon,
So on the there, if you are logging with your Gmail account, you can able to log in the account or whatever you given the mobile number at the time of registering their application. You can able to log in with the mobile number also or not? Come on.
yes, Ravi.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Right?
After
Right?
authentication.
Right, because some else condition will be there in those applications. Means if not this one, then that condition, if true, then also I can able to give the login. But in the Gmail, anyone able to log in with the mobile number? Second concept is not there. Only one concept. Just put whatever username and password you got. If you put that one, then only I will open your Gmail account inbox, right? Come on.
Yeah. Two-way authentication they use.
Don't think about the two-way authentication now here. Just think about that. What is
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
In the Gmail account, what is
Single
that?
username.
Only username and password if you are putting,
Password.
then only our Gmail account will open. Except that nothing, another option will be there. But if
Okay.
you are opening what? If you are opening, just think about that you forgot your username and password. Username and password, right? Where Amazon application, take Amazon application, you registered. At the time of registering, whatever mobile number you given, if you log in with that mobile number also, that Amazon application will log in. If you log in with that email ID, whatever email ID you given at the time of registration, that Amazon application will logged in with that email ID also. Both provision is there in those application, but in the Gmail only whatever email ID our Gmail people is giving, based on that username and password only you can open our Gmail. If you not, try it now. Try it now. Okay. So the thing only, guys, the thing is, what is that? Whenever we are working in the statement, so many analysis will be there, so many things will be there, so many clarity will be there, guys. So always a good programmer is working with what is that? Algorithm only. So before that, what is that? They are designing algorithm as well as flow. Based on that, they are taking the decision, right? Means what is that? Any application will start as well as what is that? After starting that, what is that? Statement will be there now. Statement will be there now. Then what is that? Condition will be there. Condition will be there now, guys. So then our application will take take the decision, right? If decision is true, if decision is true, then the things will work. If not, then what is that? It will fail now. So what is that? Gmail account is working always in this one only. True. If condition is true, then only what is that? This is the true statement. Then only what is that? We will get what is that? Our what? Our another things. Okay, so just what is that? This is the just assume that false statement. False statement, right? So a good programmer always, guys, don't put your whole time to learning what is that framework level. More and more concentrate to learning what is that basic programming, as well as what is the data structure area as well as what is that this to learn what is that this flow chart. Try to create. If you are developing any application, try to understand, try to write this kind of flow chart, then you start your programming, programming, right? So in a good programmer, every time good programmer will be those people only who knows that what is that algorithm. Second one is what is that flow chart. Then you need to program it. Then if you are the programmer, then no one can touch you in the market. This is the sign of what is that good programmer. Good programmer, guys. Okay, so what I'm doing now, guys, so already 2 hours is completed, right? So little bit, actually already I'm tired now. I'm feeling too much tired now, guys. So I'm stopping our session here itself. Only tomorrow we will continue.
Okay.
Tomorrow,
Yeah, Ravi. Yeah, Ravi.
tomorrow we will continue, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
So
Okay.
now
Take a rest.
everyone is satisfied with the session. Like
Yes.
any area I left it where the people is still confused.
No.
In the current
Everything is
today discussion, if anyone having any doubt, guys, I'm giving the time. I'll you can ask your doubt. I will clarify.
Ravi, initially we have written a problem like addition, right? Addition of two numbers or increment of two numbers. So how can we take the values dynamically if we want to give user want to give the input?
That is that
Yes, sir.
we are learning the TypeScript. Whenever we will enter in the Angular, right, we will take
Okay.
all value as a dynamic only. Nothing will be there here hard code. Just here we are learning the concept and we are presenting those data on the console. That is the reason I'm not able to enter those data as a dynamic. All data will come as a dynamic only. I think you are also new joiner. Already clearly I said in the initial only. Other people knows that.
So
What about-
the thing is, in our company, they are having they are given some questions to do those.
In the
And,
TypeScript only. In the TypeScript.
yeah.
Only, in the TypeScript only put the data as a dynamic.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about that. That stream concept is there. Based on that, tomorrow I will explain to put the data as a dynamic. Okay, put the data as the dynamic in your TypeScript program. But the thing is, we are preparing for that based on that our Angular related things. I'm not thinking about that area, even though I don't know why that person is asked to you, but what is the use of that one? I don't know. Okay, in the real everyday programming, in the Angular or any programming, but don't worry, I will explain that one also. I'll explain that one
Okay,
also.
thanks.
Yeah. So now everything is fine, friends. Shall we stop the session?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So bye, guys. Bye. Have a good day. We will meet tomorrow with the
Bye.
same
Thank you.
concept now, guys.